welcome to my beautiful Italian kitchen in New Zealand. Today we're going to make a delicious lasagna with the pasta sheets that I taught you how to make. These are the ingredients you need for a classic Italian lasagna. Make sure you choose fresh produce and local or imported from Italy. For example, the mozzarella I use from a local producer, but my Parmesan, I always choose the Italian Parmesan. The mincemeat has to be organic or premium. And of course, all your vegetables, carrots and onions and garlic and fresh basil, all fresh. First thing to do is to put a big pot of water to boil to cook your pasta sheets. And in the meantime, make your ragu. So you cut everything up, all your nice odori, that's how we call them to make the ragu. Oh, the onion always makes me cry. So you cut everything up, and this will make your ragu, which is a tomato sauce with meat. Tastes amazing. Add some olive oil in your pan, and then you put all your beautiful odori here inside the frying pan, and then let it saute until it's soft. I don't cut the garlic small because it doesn't take long to cook, and I don't want it to burn. The other ingredients take much longer to cook. Now I'm going to blend everything. I put a little bit of water. Add the pureed vegetables back in the pan on medium heat. Add the mince, some olive oil, salt, and stir until cooked. Once the meat is cooked, then you add your tomato sauce. Lower the heat and let the sauce cook for about 20 minutes, and while it's cooking, we'll make our bechamel. The main thing for the bechamel, for your white sauce, is to have a very low heat all the time, otherwise you burn it. Add all the ingredients together first, butter, a little bit of flour, not all of it, and a little bit of milk first. Keep stirring until the butter is melted and it is all combined. Okay, now just keep stirring and add some more flour and some more milk until it thickens. Now grate your Parmesan and cut your fresh mozzarella. Start from cutting your pasta sheets into strips. Cook the pasta in your boiling water for about 3 minutes, then drain and run under cold water. Now we put it all together and make our lasagna. First a bit of olive oil. Now place your first layers of pasta. Now start with the different layers. You start with your ragu first. Add your bechamel, Parmesan, fresh basil, and mozzarella. Then the next layer. Go. And then we put some more ragu. It's delicious. The smell is fantastic. Can't wait to eat this. Yum. And then a third layer of pasta, and then it's all finished. And here we go. Look at this beautiful lasagna. Now all we need to do is to put it in the oven and cook it for about half an hour. Our lasagna is now all ready to enjoy. It smells delicious. You will see that when you eat it the fresh pasta will melt in your mouth. It will be a great success with your family and friends. Let me taste it. Delicious. See you next time.